Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to go over possibly some big news here we have for Friday, March 16th. All right, so just lately on my blog, I put up this query on for people. Basically, it's asking what topics would you want covered if you were to create a cryptocurrency Bitcoin algo trading course in Python. Obviously, I kind of know what the popular topics are, like machine learning, but that's going to be way down the road. Just do the advanced knowledge you need to have. But if you are interested, you can go to my group here on Facebook to offer me your advice. Now, this comes from a variety of things. We have this on my YouTube channel at quantlabs. We have two videos I put up, one 2 years ago on my old Python algo trading course series, which I'm going to show you, which I'm actually updating. As you can tell, it's 2 years, and in the world of software, that's quite a while. So I'm going to upgrade it to 3.6, but I'm also going to be adding something different. A while back, 3 months ago, I've got this other video, to me, that's been going somewhat viral, is this experimenting with Gecko JavaScript. And then somewhere buried in here, you'll find, let me just show you if you care, this project here that called CCXT, which I want to cover a lot in the world of cryptocurrency and why I think it's probably one of the best ones where you can use it in Python over other languages like JavaScript and PHP, and why? Because this video, let me see here, back please, thank you. This video has a lot of hate on because I talk about JavaScript and how it's very limiting, and actually I'm knocking it, so a lot of people didn't like it, but oh well. I'll try to further explain that. So in there, this is what's causing this. This is kind of market demand, obviously, regardless of how and where Bitcoin is or cryptocurrency. This is the future of trading. Done a survey where top asset class was options, number 2 was cryptocurrency, followed by Forex. So there's a big demand there. Now, one of the things you may not pick up is that it's quite possible this may get picked up by one of the larger online book publishing houses out there, so we're just working together on an outline to see if they accept it or not. So this may go places. There's going to be some big plans for this. So it's important, and as I said, this could have an impact on what is put in this online course. But let me show you what we've got so far in the older version, as I hinted here on this Python algo trading course series. As I said, this is from version 2. I want to get this upgraded to version 3. So in here we talk about Python and why Python for algo and automated trading, setting up your Python environment. This, for me, has radically changed over the last 2 years. I keep it really simple. I just use Sublime. It's such an easy, fast process without having these crazy IDEs that you may not, but I don't know if you really need them. Next one is Python Introductory Programming Resources Environment, video and material. This obviously needs to be updated. Then we get into the database choices. I'm probably going to skip this section and just go right into this in a Redis, and why I think Redis is probably one of the best databases out there for anything you want to do, specifically around automated trading. And this may help those that may want to eventually go out and do high-speed trading without needing to rip apart your platform or your system that you eventually want to get up and running. And I've been using Redis for years, and it's true open source, which means it's free, and you don't have to worry about this freemium stuff that you would get with something like MongoDB, even though it's popular. Interfacing with interactive brokers. This is an interesting one, but I'm probably going to skip this because we're doing crypto. This one we're going to skip as well because it's Yahoo Finance. They don't even support it anymore. So we got to work on data. Now, this one needs to be updated on the charting, pretty charts. Matplotlib is still the standard, but I have tested out a new package or newer called Seaborn. It's very cool and creates some really nice looking charts with none of this wonky data manipulation on the x-axis. This one I would completely take out. Front end customization, Qt designer, throw it out. It's no good anymore. A lot of people have problems developing front end customization with Python, and it is, I hate to say, one of the big weaknesses of Python, but a lot of what you're doing is going to be server based anyways. I mean, you could develop a front end, web front end like what Gecko has, but usually what I do is you can develop something better. Obviously, it's to be determined, but the CCXT that I'm planning to use for the package for cryptocurrency is really good, and they have some more console-based stuff, terminal or command line stuff. So there is that. Obviously, I'm going to add more to this list as time progresses. Including, as I said, machine learning is probably the more popular one, but I'm not quite there yet. There's just so much already in this set of material, and then we can get into basic things like TALib for Python, which I kind of experimented just to show you how to use some basic technical analysis indicators and how to integrate them with Python and this potential type of system. So let me just show you that. So that's one other section I want to add as well out of the gate. And this is going to be a video course series. There's no printed books. This is all video based, and we'll see where it goes. I'm actually going to do a potentially a live boot camp on this as well. I think this is obviously, judging from my YouTube channel, this is a very huge topic. So with these two videos I've just shown you. So let me know what you think. As I said, you can go into my Facebook group, and in there we've got over 10,500 people in the group now, right here, and you'll be able to reply to that by just looking for this post here. What topics have you got covered? A lot of people get confused on how to look for this. Just come in and search this group, and you'll be able to find it. Boom. There you go. All right, so hopefully I'll help you out. Let me know what you think. This video was obviously created on March 16th. If you can, let me know over the next few days. And I'm going to get this kickstarted probably next week, the creation of it, and updating the other course as well. The one I just mentioned here. This is Python 2, but get it updated for Python 3, because I'm currently using Python 3.6, which obviously it changes, but that's a pretty nice interface version to work with for Python. So let me know what you think, and we shall talk to you soon.